What's up, everybody? We're back again with another open box. Today I'm so excited. I just got in my Blackmagic Studio 4K cameras. Yes, I'm saying cameras, we got two of them. You know, I'm so excited. I'm like a little kid in a candy store. Without any further ado, let's get into it. You guys don't want to hear me talk all the time. Let's see what you get in the box. Right? Straight from New York City. Let's see what we got. All right. I like the packaging, all right? You gotta keep the product pretty safe. Let's get that out of here. We don't need that. Yes, again, we got two of them, but this is an open box. We only need to open one of them. So let's put that to the side. Grab the second one, put the box over here. So studio camera, 4K plus, revolutionary, blah, blah, blah. All right, that's what I like, the big monitor display port right there on the back. All right, let's get into the box. I like that. All right. Let's go. Dun, dun, dun. And like I said, today we are just going to be doing an open box because our lenses have not arrived yet. But like I said, I am such a kid, I could not wait to open it. All right, so we got a manual here. All right, you guys see that? It's a manual. And they tell you to download it to save paper. Good job, save a tree. You got a sticker, okay? And wow, you get a free download of DaVinci Resolve 17. No cloud costs, no licenses, absolutely free. All right, cool. That works. We got a mounting plate type of thing. All right, oh, I know what these are. These are so you can number which camera you have, you know? So you just stick it onto the camera. If you have a lot of cameras, I guess you're gonna go 1 through 16. That's what those are. Okay, damn. That's nice that they give you that. You couldn't number your own cameras. Dun, da, da, da. Let's go. Whoa. So the first thing I'm noticing, this thing is very, very light. Very. I like that. I like that. All right. And then, all right. So you get 2 HDMI ports so you can plug into your hard drives. Plug in 2 separate hard drives, or maybe yeah, that's it. So you can record straight off the camera. Nice. And like I was saying, these little things, they go up here so you can number your cameras all the way up to 11 or 16. All right, bam. And this is also nice because it lets you know which camera is actually on live. So if you have a host, they know what camera to look at, which one is actually going live. Nice. All right, and on the other side, we have your power connectors, all right? And you have your HDMI ports right here. Functions, on-off switch, and your controls here. Let's see. Oh, I like how that opens up. Let me show you again to your monitor display. Right? Whoa, I like that. And you get a nice 7-inch touchscreen LCD monitor display. All right, very good. Good job, Blackmagic. All right, let's see what else is in the box. Okay, last but not least, oh nice. So no matter where you are in the world, you're gonna be able to power up. They give you connections for every country. All right, no matter where you are in the world, you're gonna be able to power up. Thank you, I like that. And power supply that is just like the ATM. All right, and like I said, we're not going to be powering this up because our lenses are arriving a little bit late. So the next time you see us using these, we're going to be powering these bad boys up. That is going to do it for this out of box for the Blackmagic, but wait a minute. Remember, you guys can book the studio anytime you want. This is Mainstream Entertainment, Hollywood Studios. And don't forget to get your merch. Feel me, just because. Bam, peace, see ya.